Hey, how's it going? I want to show you guys a cool Chrome extension called RevSeller. It is for Amazon sellers. It works within the Chrome browser, which means you have to use Chrome to access it. You can't use Safari or Firefox. It is a tool that sits directly inside of the Amazon.com website, and it provides you with a lot of data that makes buying decisions a lot easier. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So here I am inside of Amazon. Let's open up any product. Let's find a good one. Something that we'd actually sell. This is popular for people that do online arbitrage, but it can be used for anything. If you do private label wholesale, it's got a lot of good data that you'll use. So when we open up any page when we're running RevSeller, it's going to pop up this new form here right below the title. It's going to show the RevSeller little module here where it's going to have a whole bunch of links and things that we can use to make better buying decisions. So first we can see the rank is 74,095 in toys and games. It shows us the percentage in the category, which is 1.2%. It's in the top 1.2%. So, you know, rank is kind of relative. So what I like to do, and something that RevSeller makes really easy, is open up Camel, 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 or Keepa, and we can click on these links and it's going to open them up in a new tab, and we're able to see how much these are actually selling for, if they're actually selling. Remember, sales rank can be distorted really easily by random sales, but we can use this tool to see what is actually selling and what actually is not. Then we can also use Keepa. I actually prefer Keepa over Camel, Camel, Camel. Not only because it's easier to say, but I just like the data better. The way it's presented is a little bit easier to decipher. Okay. So if we want, let's say that we can get this product now. This is one of the cool features of RevSeller that people really, really like, is you can add your buy price here. So let's say somehow we were able to get this for $3.50. We would net $4. And I've already put in my shipping to Amazon fee at 0.45 per pound, so 45 cents per pound, which is, you know, kind of a generous estimate. That's going to fluctuate, so it's not perfect. But we can assume that if we were going to sell this FBA, there's 0 offers FBA, or merchant fulfilled for $3.50, we could net $4 and have pretty decent ROI and margins. So that's cool. Another thing we can do is we can open up the Amazon calculator. If you don't like those fees, if for some reason, if that data, you don't rely on it, you can open it up and it's going to populate this data here with the same information. It's going to show you all of that data exactly as Amazon normally would. Next, we can see the reviews. You can filter by top review, most recent, verified, 5-star. Then we come here to links. I can see all of the offers, right? And it's going to open that up in a new tab. Let me kill some of these tabs while we're waiting. It's going to show all the different offers, all the different sellers on there. And we can also do things like open it up in eBay. It's going to search the first 6 words of the title. And I think this title only has 6 words. It's going to search that in eBay. It's basically going to copy that text and paste it right into the search engine and perform the search for us. So we can see what people are selling this for on eBay. Sometimes this is a good option if you want to sell something that you can't sell on Amazon, like maybe you're restricted, or you think that you can make more on eBay. You can do that, and it's a clever way to make a little bit more on products that you wouldn't be able to make money on Amazon for various reasons. Like I said, if you're restricted or something like that, you can take it to eBay. So that's a cool feature. There's a couple other things I don't really use, like Google title. You can search in Google, Amazon title. I don't know why you'd want that because you're already on the page. Next, we can come down to menu and we can come into settings. We can do a lot of different things here. You can change the inbound weight. Just put that to 45 cents. Other, let's say you have a prep and pack fee. You use a prep center and you can put $1 in there. Estimated shipping zone, you can keep that at 5. It's pretty generous. Buy cost, use list price. I leave that the way it is. Buy cost only. Buy cost sales tax. If you're doing RA and you have sales tax, if you're doing OA, you can leave that blank. If you want to add sales tax, you can. If not, don't worry about it. ignore sellers with zero feedback, blah, blah, blah. So there's some cool stuff we can do there. Let's go back here really quick. I'm going to show you one more thing that I forgot to mention. We can now see the 90-day average for price and rank. So the average for this for rank is 1,195,559. So this sales rank is a little bit bloated right now, and it's probably because it's Q4 when I'm filming this video. Okay, so another thing that I really like is the ability to copy the ASIN very quickly. The ASIN's right here. So normally if I wanted to get the ASIN, there's a bunch of things that we could do with the ASIN, by the way. I'll show you in a second. I'd have to come down here and copy it. So this right here just kind of puts the data here. It keeps me from scrolling. I can just click that. And let's say I wanted to run a reverse search on that product in tactical arbitrage. I could basically just paste the quick ASIN there. I can search it and I can try to find any source for this product. One final thing I want to show you is how RevSeller handles variations, products with variations like shoes and clothing. Let's find a pair of shoes. Let's type in Nike. Just find a nice pair of Nike shoes that have multiple variations. This one will work. Men's Revolution for running shoe. RevSeller is going to populate here. Okay, it's going to show me the rank, but that is for the parent. If I want, I can see the variation as well. See how this right here says select variation? All I have to do is choose my variation, choose my color, and now the data is going to populate for that. So now the price has been adjusted. If the weight changes, that shouldn't change for shoes. But yeah, so everything is adjusted now for the variations. So if I want to change the color, it's going to change the price. So this is great if you do a lot of variation products. Say if we can get these for 15 bucks, make $8. So guys, that is RevSeller. It is an awesome tool. If you're interested, there is a coupon code in the link down in the comments. Use code FBAT20 and you will get $20 off RevSeller. It's an awesome tool. Very basic, very straightforward. Puts a lot of the data that you need right where you need it. It's an awesome tool for anyone that sells on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.